Try it. You're catching on. Here comes the music.
Ha ha ha.